Isang gabi na puno ng awitan at madamdaming pag-alala ang inialay ng malalapit na kaibigan at nakasama sa trabaho ni Eman Atienza. At para gunitain ang maikli ngunit makabuluhan niyang buhay, isang advocacy campaign ang ilulunsad ng kanyang Sparkle family. Narito ang report ni Aubrey Carampel.
I dropped my sword and cried for just a while. 'Cause deep inside this armor, the warrior is a child.
Puno ng emosyon ang tribute ng Sparkle GMA Artist Center para sa pumanaw na status by Sparkle artist at social media influencer na si Eman Atienza. Ang kanyang mga kaibigan at co-Sparkle artists na sina Maika Kimochi at Alia De Gracia, emosyonal nang ikwento ang kanilang unforgettable memories with Eman.
Whether it's a small win or a tough moment, Eman was always there with her words of encouragement, reminding us that we could make it through. She celebrated others with a big heart. She was the most selfless, most humble, kindest person I've ever met. She was like a shooting star. Wherever she went, she instantly lit up the room. She was a ball of energy, full of kindness.
Bilang pagunita kay Eman, nais daw ng Sparkle na bigyang pugay ang kanyang alaala sa pamamagitan ng isang advocacy campaign.
So, in a few days, we will be starting an online and on-air campaign called Click Kindness. I think it's obviously inspired by Eman. It is a legacy she will leave with Sparkle and each and every member of GMA whom she has touched and loved.
Dumalaw din sa burol ang ilang opisyal ng GMA Network, kabilang si Senior Vice President Attorney Annette Gozon Valdez at iba pang kasalukuyan at dating opisyal ng GMA. Namataan din sina Gabby Garcia at Khalil Ramos, Mikey Quintos, Shuvi Etrata, Anthony Constantino at iba pang Sparkle at status by Sparkle artists. Pati sina Manila Mayor Isko Moreno at Vice Mayor Chi Atienza na kapatid ni Kuya Kim. Dagsari ng pagdating ng mga kaibigan ng pamilya at mga kasamahan sa trabaho.
So many people are inspired by Eman. It amazes me that I get so many messages, not only from the Philippines, but from all over the world. People whose lives Eman has touched. And the message is simple. Be a little kinder every day. My Eman will stay alive if I'm a little kinder every day. So thank you very much for being here. Maraming salamat. Ang pamilya po namin ay nagpapasalamat sa inyong lahat sa pagmamahal ninyo kay Eman. Thank you po.
Para sa GMA Integrated News, Aubrey Carampel, nakatutok 24 oras.